Industrial refrigerators are essential for restaurants, bars, and cafes, but choosing the right model can be a challenge. An industrial refrigerator is a must-have in any hospitality establishment. They maintain low temperatures, essential for preserving food, beverages, and heat-sensitive products. These appliances consist of 4 key elements: the compressor, the condenser, the expansion system, and the evaporator, all working together to maintain constant temperatures. When choosing the ideal refrigerator for your business, make sure to consider capacity, energy efficiency, and size to meet your specific needs.